Hi, today I'm going to discuss 5 reasons why Facebook ads is important for your business. Before I start, if you have not watched the 5 reasons why digital marketing is important for a business, do watch it. I made a video of it, you can check it in the description below. And this is just to go deeper because Facebook is one of the digital marketing strategy that can be used for your business. And let's jump into it. So before I start, let me ask you, how many of you is currently in Facebook? Well, for me myself, I'm currently in Facebook. So if I were to guess, I would guess 90% of the people watching this right now have Facebook. So this comes back into my first point, where Facebook is the largest social media platform currently in the world, with more than 2 billion active users worldwide. So for you to put your message out, your content out, or your marketing out to people, what other better platform than Facebook? So, and the second reason why it is important is that Facebook ad is still relatively cheap, highly effective, and it gives you fast results. I know I'm combining 3 into 1, but it comes in the same category where it is effective. So when we do our campaign, we make sure it's effective, and of course it's cheap, and we want to get the fast results. So you may heard that many people is doing like Facebook ads. I will rephrase that, not Facebook marketing. And not many people are actually using Facebook ads to really push their marketing. And I read one study that there's around less than 3 million of people that are actually doing Facebook ads actively, and compared to 2 billion people. So there's only a few major players that currently like dominating the Facebook ads, but that does not mean that it's expensive, because it's running through bidding system. So there are still time for you to get into it now, and what better time to do it than now? So the third reason why Facebook ad is important to your business is that it's very simple to set up, and although it is feature rich, it is relatively easy to set up. You just go to the Facebook ads. I may produce a video in the future about doing Facebook ad setup and things like that, where I can help you to go through step by step in how to set up a Facebook ads. But currently it is very simple. Not say very simple, it is simple to set up. So you just have to go to Facebook ads platform, and they'll give you step by step which campaign, what campaign to do, what assets to use, what ads to use. It's very systematic. So it's quite tough to get lost, but the only thing, the settings may looks very difficult, but once you get used to it, it's very easy to set up compared to the others. And also it is feature rich. It's very, very feature rich, and although it's very simple to set up, it's also feature rich. You can just use the ads platform, or if you do engagement ads like boost posts, it's so simple. You just do a post in your page, and there's a button there where it boosts. So it's immediately get you started into running any Facebook ads. Although I will still suggest you need strategy to do it. And the fourth reason why it is very important, and this is one of the reasons that makes Facebook ads one of the best advertising platform, is that the targeting is impeccable. It's second to none. You are able to target so detailed into which location they are from, what's their age group, what's their gender, what's their interest, what's their occupation, what's their relationship status, what kind of phone they use. There's many things that you can drill down using Facebook ads, and this makes them very, very powerful. And once you run the ads, they also have these things called a code they call pixel, or they have a tracking cookies. So they're able to track who actually viewed your content or who landed into your website. And you can use all this data to remarket your content back to them. Or maybe you can create some look-alike audience which is similar to people that's interested in your message. This may sound a bit creepy where Facebook is following you everywhere, but it's actually good for you because Facebook is able to determine the things that you want to see, and as a marketer we want to churn out content or churn out advertising campaign where our campaign is being seen by people that's actually interested in it, that actually need our products, not just as I mentioned in the previous video about the digital marketing, we are not doing shotgun anymore. It is not effective. We want to be sniper, to snipe exactly to those people that want to see that's interested in whatever that you're offering. So and this come to the fifth reason why it's important is that Facebook is highly scalable. If you're able to find the correct or the winning campaign, it's very easy to scale it up. And Facebook also is very customizable. So when you run these ads, it don't work, you can always try another ads, and then when you find work, you can just scale it. So this is what we call testing. There's this term where marketing is all about testing, and this can be easily done using Facebook platform, and it won't impact much. And so when you have a campaign, it's a winning campaign, fast result, scalable. And as I mentioned on the fourth reasons why, you can create lookalike audience, and you can just keep stacking on your audience and your your new potential customers and show them your ads. And yeah, I know I've did all 5 reasons, but there's one additional reason why it is very important. And this go against what a lot of marketers are doing, because they think that churning out content is very important for page. It is important, no doubt. It's important for branding, important to show that social proof, to show that your page or your company or business is legit. However, I believe in context over content, because since an update in Facebook, I can't remember whether it's 2018 or 2017, the organic reach of your content is practically dead. Less than 1% of people that like your page actually sees your content. So I know there's a strategy where people post 3-4 contents daily, just in hope that people actually sees it, to play with the system. But end of the day, the best way to reach out to these people is by using advertisement, by advertising your content to them. And of course, that other than just focusing on your existing people that follow you, you want to reach to a new audience as well. And this is where Facebook ads come in. So the last reason why is that organic reach is practically dead. You still can churn out content, but make sure the content is more meaningful and also more value to the people. If not, you're just basically churning out content to get nothing. So let me recap the 5 reasons why Facebook ads is important. The first reason is that Facebook ads is currently the largest social media platform. The second reason why is that Facebook ad is highly effective, is still cheap, and it gives you the fastest results. The third reason why is that Facebook ads is simple to set up, although its feature pack is extremely simple to set up. The fourth reason why is that the targeting is second to none. Then the fifth and final reason why is that it is highly scalable and the ads are customizable. And yeah, the bonus or the last additional reason why is that organic reach is practically dead. So the only way to reach your audience is to do advertising using Facebook. And that's it for me. And if you like what I share, and do support me and follow me along this journey as well. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I talk to you soon. See you. Bye bye.